Assalamualaikum students. I am Ramesh Sultana from United Public School. Welcome to my class Science. So students, in before class what we will discuss about attraction and repulsion between two magnets. Yes students, now we will do an activity, that is our activity 7. Okay students, in this activity what we have to do, we have to take a bar magnet and we have to take place a bar magnet on the table in any direction. Just you see here, we have to take a bar magnet in any direction on the table, suspended other bar magnet over it as shown in the figure. After that what we have to do, we have to suspend this bar magnet. Just you see here in the figure like this only. The suspended bar magnet should be fairly close to the other one kept. It will be fairly somewhat close to that table magnet. The suspended bar magnet always come to rest in direction of the bar magnet placed on the table. Yes students, here the suspended bar magnet is always come in the rest direction which is placed on the bar magnet on the table. Okay students, but the north pole of the suspended bar magnet points towards the south pole of the bar magnet placed on the table, and the south pole of the suspended magnet points toward the north pole of the bar magnet placed on the table. Here just you see it is an opposite. The suspended bar magnet south pole is, just you see here opposite is there. Suspended bar magnet having north pole and south pole, and the table and the bar magnet which we are kept on table, they have north end pole and south end pole opposite to the suspended bar. The suspended bar magnet is always come in the rest in north south direction. Just to keep this point in your mind, that the suspended bar magnet is always come to the rest position in north and south direction. When north and south direction. Okay students, north and south direction. So students, in this activity what we have to do, we have to find whether the object is a magnet or not. Okay students, whether the object is magnet or not magnet. Okay, what we have to do, we have to take objects having the same size, shape and color along with a bar magnet. After that what we have to do, you have to decide which one among them is a magnet. We have to decide in that object which one is a magnet or which one is a magnetic substance or non-magnetic So students, if a object is attracted by one pole of the bar magnet and repelled by its other pole, then we can say it is a magnet. Okay students, if a object is attracted to one pole, if they are attracted to south pole of bar magnet and repelled to its other pole, it repels to north pole, then we can say it is a magnet. Okay students, and if the object is attracted by both poles of bar magnet, means if the object is attracted to both pole, means south pole as well as north pole, and it is not repelled by any pole, then we called as that is a non-magnet, but it is a magnetic substance. It is a non-magnet, but it is having a property of magnetic substance. If an object is neither attracted or not repelled, then we can say it is a neither a magnet or nor a magnetic substance. It is not a magnet or it is not having a magnetic substance. Bring three objects one after the other close to one pole of the bar magnet. Observe whether they are attracted, repelled or not. Record your observation. So what we have to do, we have to take three objects. Afterwards we have to bring them close to the bar magnet, and we have to observe that they are repelled or they are attracted or they may be not attract. So in this what we have to do, in this activity we have to make our own magnet. So take a iron nail and place it on a table. So we have to take a iron nail. Okay students, and we have to placed in table. After that, what we have to do, make sure that the nail neither attracted nor repel iron pins or iron filling. We have to take some care that the iron nails will be neither be attracted or nor repels to iron pin. Okay students, that a bar magnet, just you see here, like this we have to make our own magnet. So what we have to do students, we have to take a iron nail and we have to keep this iron nail on a table. After that, what we have to do, we have to sure that we have to make some care that the iron nail will be not attracted or not repels to iron pins. Okay students, after that what we have to do, we have to take a bar magnet and place on it one poles near the edge of the nail. Just you see here, like this we have to move it along the length of the iron nail till you reach the other end. Like that we have to do. After, so what we have to do, we have to lift the bar magnet and bring it the first end of the nail first up, and we have to keep this bar magnet on the first end of the nail and move along with the length as shown in the figure. Just like that we have to do this. Now we have to repeat this process for 20 to 30 times. Always move the magnet in one direction. We have to move the magnet only in one direction. So after that, what we have to do now, remove the bar magnet and bring some iron filling or alpin close to the nails. We have to remove the bar magnet and we have to take some iron fillings. Okay, so the iron filling or alpins get attracted the nails. So instead of bar magnet, we are using iron filling or alpins. So these alpins are attracted to the nails. Thus you have succeeded make your own magnet. So our magnet will be prepared. Students, just you see here, fourth question. Draw a bar magnet and locate the poles. Okay, draw this and